What's up, Storm Gang? We back with another banger. You know, it's Sunday, so we're gonna do a couple's Q&A question there while we on our way to Julian to get some food.
Yeah.
So we're gonna answer these questions for y'all.
I guess.
Okay. Where did we meet?
Work. Ooh, make it. That's so cool. Make it interesting.
I had to take the first question. I'm actually driving.
Oh no, the focus. What was your first impression of me? That's good.
I couldn't tell what you was, so I needed to really know. But you know,
that's everyone's first. Personality wise.
Shy.
Also everyone's first impression. Do I also answer that? Okay.
That was your question, right?
You didn't ask me any
No,
questions.
now I'm gonna ask you.
Oh, okay.
What was our first road trip?
North Carolina. That was fun. Also, got to meet the family and everything. Yeah. Okay. What is my favorite cereal? He doesn't eat cereal, guys. He'll eat like the dry, like cereal, like right out of the box, but no milk. He doesn't eat cereal with milk.
I'm not sure. So what I'm gonna say is cream of wheat.
No, that's a joke. That's a joke. Cream of wheat? When did I ever eat cream of wheat? I'll eat oatmeal.
No, the cereal, the wheat cereal. What is it called?
Oh, the honey. Not the bunches of oats. The shredded mini
the
wheats.
wheat cereal. Frosted mini wheats. Yeah.
Yeah, not cream of wheat.
Yeah, frosted mini wheats. You know what I was talking about. What can I spend hours doing?
Can it be a multiple answer?
No.
But it's a lot of things. I can count on my hand the top 5 things that you can do.
What's one?
But is it seasonal?
No, because it don't matter. You can just name one.
Looking at cars.
Okay.
Cars you like.
Thought you would have said washing my car.
No, because you don't.
Not now.
Eventually you're going to damage the car if you keep washing it.
Alright.
Detailing the car. Car parts. Do I play any sports?
Yeah. Volleyball.
Sports, plural. What else?
What you call it? Surfing.
Yeah.
Yeah, surfing. Surfing and volleyball. My question.
Yeah.
What would I eat every day if I could?
Burgers. All American, baby. Burgers.
All day, every day.
But you can't, because you would have a heart attack. If I'm watching TV, what am I watching? Okay, what genre am I watching? I'll make it easy.
Romantic drama, romantic comedy.
Okay, fine. Yeah.
What is it? Romantic comedy, romantic drama? Am I wrong? What is it?
That or like scary.
Yeah, but you try to stay away from scary movies because, you know, I'm scared of the dark and stuff. So.
Or like weird ghost hunting documentaries.
Yeah, I don't like watching stuff like that, guys.
Yeah.
If I could live anywhere, where would it be?
That's hard because we always talk about like where the weather's nice all the time.
Las Vegas, Nevada.
Yeah, there you go. It's a nice place.
See, if we was playing the powder challenge, you just got smacked.
And you would have just been white with powder. What's my favorite music? Trains passing by, guys, if you can hear that.
Favorite music?
Yeah.
I don't know, because you got like a mixture
I have
of stuff
various taste in music. What style do I go for? Clothes-wise. Okay, we're cutting that. We're not doing that.
What? If I had any car right now, which car would it be?
Fisker.
She She know me so well.
If I can have any car, what would it be right now?
R8.
No.
Audi R8.
No.
Or RX-7 Mazda.
That would be nice, but no.
What you mean? Those are 2 favorite cars that you like.
But now I'm saying, remember, I'm a mom now. I'm a cool mom. I'm not a regular.
Oh, so you said the truck, the Q8?
I don't know. I don't even know the answer.
Right, that's what you said right now. I'm thinking like you were talking your car that you
it would be the Q8.
Car.
It would be the Q8. Or an old Range Rover. Old model.
Oh, yeah, the truck is correct. Yo, bro, get out the street. You don't even have no reflectors on your bike. I'm confused why this guy don't got no bump on the back of his car.
Is there something I do that bothers you a lot?
Yes.
Go on.
Entrez-vous. You should ask a question. It was a yes or no question. You didn't say I had to get into the answer. It was a yes or no question.
Yes or no? That was it.
You said, is it something that I do that bothers you a lot? Specify. You just asked the question, and I gave you an answer.
Specify.
No, you already asked your question, so now you gotta ask it again after I ask my question.
Okay.
Boy, if you don't get...
Okay, go ahead. Ask your question.
If there's anything that you can change about me, what would it be?
Nothing. I don't ask people to change things about them. Genuinity is a very rare thing in this world.
So there's nothing that you would change about me.
Your flatulence around me. Flatulence, you know what that is, right? It's gas. It's passing gas.
Oh, I like to fart. I mean, that's no secret. If you've ever been around me for a long period of time, trust me.
It's just so
I farted in your presence.
Out of nowhere, like.
I'm a gassy person.
Okay, same question.
Yes.
Go on.
I will change the fact that when I give you a compliment,
oh my god.
Because
guys,
yeah. Take my compliments for what they are, compliments, and not, you know.
Yeah, I say thank you.
Yeah, but
that's really sweet of you.
I had to make it spicy.
Spicy question. Did you look that up? Spicy questions?
What size shoe do I wear?
12. What was I wearing when you first met?
A plaid gray and black shirt and some Chuck Taylors.
True.
What was the first thing you noticed about me?
Like when we met or when I saw you?
When you saw me. What was the first thing you noticed about me?
Oh my gosh, that guy is a giant as human being. Like giant person, and he's wearing those Kanye shoes. That's what, because I called them the Kanye shoes. I didn't know we can wear. I thought we weren't allowed to wear ripped jeans to work, but this guy was doing it. But I'm like, in my head, I was like, no one's gonna mess with this guy because he's just gonna kick them or something.
I do what I want when I want. That's probably why we don't work there now. No shade, great company.
What's my dog's name?
Hunter. By the way, she lied about Hunter. Let me tell you something. Before I ever met Hunter, she used to tell me about this dog, right? Oh, he's a
cute dog.
Yeah, he's not big. He's small, and he's something mixed with a pit. So she made it seem like he was like a small dog.
Yeah, and he looks really adorable. Like,
oh, he's so well controlled and he don't bite. Let me tell you something. If a dog got teeth, they bite. But when I met this dog, like he was mad friendly. He came, sat next to me and stuff. And you know when they said sit down, he sat. But he's far from small. What kind of cake would you bake on my birthday?
Me? I will make a better cake than Josh's carrot cake. But it will be a carrot cake. Accept the challenge, Josh. Accept it. If you're watching.
Hey. Somebody called
Follow
out me.
BBJ Cakes at Instagram.
I hear a challenge.
Are we gonna do a bake-off video or something?
We should.
Describe my perfect day. I want to do the Miss Congeniality answer.
Her perfect day. Let me tell you about her perfect day. Right? We get up in the morning. We go for a walk in the park. Go buy flowers. And go for another walk in the park. Eat. Take a nap. Wake up. And then contemplate on what we're going to do. And this is why it's 9 o'clock at night and we're driving all the way to the city to get food. Our perfect day.
Alright, close.
Okay. What drink do I order every time we go out to eat?
Jack and Coke. What drink do I order?
Virgin Mojito.
Yeah. Something with citrus in it. That's 23 minutes. You should order the food. We'll be back. My hair looks really mahogany right now.